Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to group all the elements in Canva. Grouping elements in Canva allows us to move, resize, or edit multiple objects at once. This can make our design workflow faster and more efficient. We will walk you through how to do it. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's open a sample design. Let's open the sample. Let's add some elements. Here we have some elements and more elements here. Now we will add more elements like lines. We will add a line element like this one. We will add this one. We will place it here. Let's center it. Let's center it. Now let's style this. We will add more elements like graphics. We'll add a graphic like this lock. We will place it here. Let's add more elements. We will add these as samples. We'll add an animation here, like this one in the front. Now, to group the elements, as you can see, they are not grouped yet. To group them, we just need to highlight all of them. Once we highlight them, we click the group button that appears at the top of the screen. Now, as we can see, they are now grouped. If we move this group, all the elements move together. Wherever we place them, they stay together as a group. That is how we group elements in Canva. We have now successfully grouped elements in Canva. We can manage multiple design components easily and keep our layout organized.